Hello everyone! Today, I will be sharing my report titled Preschoolers Physical Development. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, maipapakita muna akong quote sa inyo. A child reminds us that playtime is an essential part of our daily routine. So, ang gustong ipahayag ng quotes na ito na ang paglalaro ay hindi lang para sa kasiyahan, kundi isang mahalagang bahagi ng araw-araw ng mga bata dahil dito sila natututo, lumalakas at nagiging handa sa buhay. Yan yung gustong ipaalala ng quotes na ito. So, dumako naman tayo sa introduction. Introduction. The preschooler years is commonly known as the years before formal schooling begins. It roughly covers 3 to 5 years of age. Although it is known as the years before formal school, it is by no way less important than the grade school years. So the preschool years is very important as it lays foundation to later development. At this stage, preschoolers achieve many developmental milestones. As such, service teacher who might be interested to teach and care for preschoolers need to be knowledgeable about them to be truly an intentional and effective teacher. So, this module on the physical development of preschoolers focuses on the acquisition of gross and fine motor skills, artistic expression, proper nutrition and sleep, and what teachers and caregivers should do to maximize the preschoolers' development. So, ang preschool years ay tinatawag na the years before formal schooling begins, o yung time bago magsimula ang bata sa elementary. Usually, edad 3 to 5 years old yung bata. Pero kahit hindi pa sila nasa formal school, very important ang stage na ito kasi dito nabubuo ang foundation ng kanilang growth and future learning. So, sa panahong ito, marami silang naaabot na developmental milestone tulad ng maayos na pagtakbo, pagtalon, pagguhit, at pakikipaglaro sa iba. Kaya, kailangan ang mga teacher, lalo na tayong mga future educators, ay knowledgeable para mas maging effective ang pagtuturo at pag-aalaga sa mga preschoolers. So, ang module na ito ay nakafocus sa physical development ng preschoolers tulad ng gross and fine motor skills. Yun yung mga big body movements at small hand movements. Artistic expression tulad ng pagguhit at pagkulay.